In this video we will learn how to add a new Java project to our Eclipse IDE. For that you just have to click on file, then new, so click it. Here you can see we have clicked on file, a new option is visible, click on new. Here you can see different options are available, like if you want to add a project, a Java project, a package, a class, you can easily add it. We will see this in upcoming videos. So right now we have to just create a new Java project, so click on Java project. Here you can see a new dialog box is visible. You can add the project name here, so let's add it. Here you can see I have added a project name department application. The location I am keeping is default, which is our workspace. You can change the location from browse option. Here you can see the JRE, which is Java runtime environment. By default it is taking Java SE 1.8. If you want to change, you can change it from here. Right now we will be keeping Java SE 1.8. You can also use a project specific JRE from here. For that you need to install JRE in your system. You can also use the default JRE. For project layout, it is considered a good practice to create separate folders to avoid confusion. So we have this is by default selected. Here are the working sets. Working sets are basically subsets of Eclipse. If you will add a working set, it will come under the navigate option, navigate menu. So after doing all the changes, just click on next. Here you can see on clicking next, you will be given Java settings here. This is the source which shows the project directory. Under project, you can easily link your project to another project. For example, if you will click on add, it will show you another project which is employee application. You can link it. Here you can also see libraries. These are the libraries which come under the default JRE. You can check the libraries. All the jar files are visible here. If you want to add jar files or external jar files, you can add from here. You can also add variables from here. That would be your path variables. The last one is order and export. These settings are basically, let's say you have project dependency on another project and you want to rearrange the libraries, you can do it from here. But right now we are creating a simple Java project, so we won't touch it. After doing all the changes, just click on finish. Here you can see a new project has been created, department application. You can check it, the source folder is visible and the JRE files, jar files are visible here. So in this video we saw how we can easily create a new Java project. Thank you for watching.